chasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, both sides coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, me there with another. Alright God. Banger video. Yeah, part 3. Yeah. But anyway, we name not itch. Make we get right tonight. Whoop! Before we kick things off guys, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button. It really help out your Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, you see that video where we're going on? Yeah, right now, pretty much. Make we watch it.
How much people there, so? Oh, you think you can find me?
A few moments later.
DJ, one tuna. Uno de pankia. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Video 2 now guys. The video is a clip will come from TVJ guys. So make we just get right in it. No itching.
Help them.
So I look forward right now. I look forward right now to eat and see the inside the road, look.
But there's no food on the street.
Shop lock you now.
Then if shop locked, then you should be inside, don't
No,
you?
we're hungry.
Others shared their reason for being outside, but not everyone wanted their identity revealed. But then it sounds like people just like being on the street.
It's not bedtime yet.
What time is bedtime?
Like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Gary, so not normally go in early.
If I stay until 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, will the streets be empty at that time?
Not really, but you will see one or few people, but not as much as now.
3 now guys. Make we get right in it, cause that one is serious right now.
We're rich and we have to hide. Fully guns. Fuck government. Big up Jamal. Jamal, fuck government. Fully guns. What we at then? We're rich and we have to hide. Fully guns. Suck your mother and chew on the side of the government. And Tanayard conference by over. We have money around here. Tonight. We school name Tanayard conference by. Tanayard conference by. We go hear that. We're rich up.
Video 4 now guys. Video 4. Make we get right tonight. Ah boy.
Everybody go let them afraid of Andrew Holness and the police. Me not afraid of Andrew Holness. Me a bad man. Police me a bad man. You don't know if you find me. 350 Julius Road, Arnett Garden, Kingston 12. Me nah run. Police go suck your mother. Any police boy come for me a bullet. Andrew Holness, you did ask me for lockdown Jamaica. You want lockdown Jamaica, you can't tell me to come off of the road. Pussy. Pussy Andrew Holness, go suck your mother Andrew Holness. Me a bad man. A bad man. Come look for me now. Me nah run. See me ya? Tattoo everything I show Andrew Holness. You can't come tell bad man for come off the street. You come look for me and say for Jamaica depend fully lockdown if you come. Cause bullet me I go now. Any police boy who feel like they want to come touch my door, make sure say no come bulletproof from head to toe or on the ear bulletproof cause me I go to bullet 350 Julius Road me there. Me not afraid of nobody. Everybody I talk about lockdown and when I come for people, come for me. Me a bad man.
Bruh. Now Jamaica. You see what me I talk about? Big man thing. Some people just make it look very bad for the country. The level of ignorance and anger, and it's not like Jamaican people don't understand the situation. So you clearly see why them lock them up. These people are putting themselves at risk and other people at risk. Let me tell you something. Do you guys know that the president of Philippines gave all fire license holders the authority to shoot people who have purposely put other people at risk during the coronavirus epidemic and lockdown? I don't want Jamaica reach this. We need to do better, Jamaica. Nobody now just lock on in so. Just so. Only know what I want. We know better. Make we do better now. You see that? 4 video. And I know say the country at risk. And it's not like a regular thing. This is something that can kill people. Really? Jamaica? Or not this the police? Or not this the Prime Minister of Jamaica where I do them duty? Big up to all police. Big up to all soldier. Big up to Andrew Wellness. I love the job where I do. You know what I mean? It's rough. But I know why I do it. I have to preserve it. Preserve the country. You know why the country locked down so till nothing now move. Me want to come out of my house. I'm sure other people want to come out of them house and they can't be selfish. Come on man, Jamaica. Do better, you see it, because we know better. Journey with your boy. Whoop!
Yeah, yeah.